Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Virgo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Virgo, let's begin. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so supportive to the channel. And yes, if you're new here Virgo, we welcome you also. Do subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So the cards I have on the table, Virgo, is the Page of Cups, 10 of Swords, 4 of Wands, 8 of Pentacles, the Empress in reverse, 2 of Cups, 3 of Cups, the Devil, and the Ace of Swords. So yes, somebody is very, very upset. Maybe they've been waiting for an apology or a love offer. They're feeling betrayed because maybe the hopes were for long-term stability, security, coming together as one or something like that, but maybe the work hasn't been put in, and that's kind of left this Empress feeling that there's no abundance, there's no growth, there's no fertility. I don't know whether this was truly even a soulmate connection. The feeling they've lost their love of their life, but still waiting for a reunion, or somebody is. I don't know what this is. And bottom of my deck, I do see the Knight of Wands in reverse. So somebody's been a bit immature, maybe they've taken too much time, but there is an obsessive quality around a reunion. Let me just start with some dialogue message cards, Virgo, then we'll clarify all these cards and find out why our Empress is so upset here. Virgo and their person, Spirit. Virgo and their person, if they could say something to each other. Let's take a few from here, Virgo. Virgo and their person. Virgo and their person. All right. And let's take a couple more from here. Virgo and their person, Spirit. Good to go. All right, Virgo, we can start your reading. The first card I have here in my hand says, I was there for you when you asked me to be, and even when you were silently suffering. I heard your soul cry out to me, asking for my support. I always showed up for you, but when I needed you, where were you? This card keeps coming up for you time and time again, you and Capricorn for some reason. Okay, so yes, no wonder somebody is so upset that, hey, I was always loving, kind, generous, giving, but when I needed you, you never put the work in. I hate that your rejection can still trigger a tendency for me to spiral out of control with unhealthy and addictive behaviors. So yes, here's the addictive behavior.Maybe somebody gets angry very fast, or maybe they start drinking, or something happens when they feel that their person is rejecting them, or this connection is not working. I'm at a breaking point right now because you apologize. However, you continue to make the same mistakes. See, apology and end. Apology and end. I'm at a breaking point right now because you apologize. However, you continue to make the same mistakes. This has become a toxic behavior that needs addressing if you want this relationship to work. I'm feeling really insecure at this time. I feel like a little child compared to you. You make me feel weak at the knees. I feel overwhelmed and powerless to the all-consuming love I have for you. So the Empress is not feeling in her power at the moment for some reason. I don't like to admit it, but I could really use your help right now. I'm struggling to do everything alone. I hunger for your touch, your kiss, and the warmth of your body. I want and I need you now. We see this from two different perspectives. The situation is messy. Okay, let's figure this messy situation out. Virgo, let's see what's going on. Let's start clarifying these cards. But before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card, see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Sweetness. Is that a compliment for Virgo spirit? Or for this Empress? I don't know. I'm going to take one more. Okay. All right. So the sweetness card. Speak your truth. Yes. But so I think the message here, what the angels are wanting to give you, Virgo, if you are this Empress in reverse. If you are this Empress, I think, yes, you should speak your truth. Tell this person what's in your mind, heart, soul, whatever. But bring a little bit of sweetness into it. Maybe you being upset is kind of scaring this person away. They're scared to admit that they need your help. So just bring a little sweetness into your words if possible. All right. Now let's begin our reading. Page of Cups spirit for Virgo. Page of Cups and the Ten of Swords. Page of Cups and the Ten of Swords. Somebody is realizing now, they've gone within, they've been in hermit mode, they are realizing what they've done and why this connection now feels kind of over. Maybe they never committed, they never offered long term, they never really put in the work. This card has also come in twice, Eight of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles. So somebody is kind of heavily thinking about this and they are realizing maybe they need to now come in with an apology. Ten of Swords spirit. Ten of Swords. They find that they're actually quite in love with this feminine. They think their person is dynamic, beautiful, sexy, and go-getter and head turner and everything. But they feel they've really ruined it now because maybe they never really put in the work that should have been put for committing to a long-term partnership. They know what they've done and they're feeling quite beaten down about it as well. They are thinking of coming with an apology. They want to show up as the person that they should have been a long time ago, as the King of Pentacles. Four of Wands spirit. Four of Wands. Four of Wands. They're realizing because they didn't do what they didn't do on time, they may just lose out on this connection and this happiness altogether. They may lose out on their love. They may lose out on the passion. The only way they can kind of protect it is if they would actually now kind of step up to the plate and offer their person what they didn't deserve. They didn't do all this while. Eight of Pentacles in reverse spirit. Eight of Pentacles. So at least this person is now in hermit mode and thinking about all their mistakes and thinking of maybe coming forward with an apology. Yes, this person, they know they haven't put in the work, and now whoever this hermit person is now feeling very, very embarrassed, feeling really ashamed of how they've let an Empress down. I'm so sorry, Virgo, forgot to switch my phone off. Sorry. Let me just switch it off. Okay. So yes, they're feeling rather embarrassed and rather ashamed now because they haven't put the work in and they know that their Empress is maybe very, very upset with them and no longer wanting to bother with them now. Empress in reverse spirit. Somebody is really stressed out, can't sleep at night, worrying and feeling awful about maybe their own mistakes here. Empress in reverse. Yes, Empress is in reverse because they were expecting an emperor. This Empress says, I was expecting an emperor in my life and see what I got. I got a Knight of Wands in reverse. Somebody who's so immature, somebody who never takes responsibility. I have this card here twice. Knight of Wands in reverse, Knight of Wands in reverse. Somebody who's very immature in their behavior, in not stepping up to the plate. And this is what the Empress is saying. I was looking for this and see what I got. Now they're not even sure whether this is a connection that they want to have in their life. The Two of Cups in reverse. Two of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Two of Cups in reverse. Yes, this Empress feels, I have been drained out of all my love. I'm tired, I'm exhausted, I'm depleted, I have no more love to give because I just keep giving and this person just keeps taking. I think it would be a good idea now that I just shut this chapter down on this so-called soulmate connection, which I don't think is really kind of working out for me here. So then what's this Three of Cups, Spirit? What's this Three of Cups? What's this Three of Cups? Somebody really wants to end the fight now. Yes, you could be dealing with the fire sign. So somebody really now wants to take action. They want to come in and say, hey, can we end this fight now? This person is very, very restless without their Empress now. They want to come in and heal some broken heart here now. They know they've been very, very immature, but I think there's been a lot of gossip also around this connection. They do want to tell this Empress, can you please now lower your defenses and have a reunion with me if possible. The Devil. What's this Devil card, Spirit? Devil. They are scared because they feel that they're a bit afraid right now because they know that this Empress now is now the Queen of Swords, is probably going to be asking some tough questions about, hey, so what happened to the future? What happened to that stability? They also know this feminine is now becoming stronger than ever. And I think they're scared here. With the Devil energy, I don't see it as toxic. I just see somebody very fearful now. Ace of Swords, Spirit, in reverse. Ace of Swords in reverse. One more. And one more. It comes down to the matter of commitment here, I think. Somebody doesn't have the answers right now. They don't have the answers right now. I think there are still some secrets that are being kept here. But they also know that if I don't speak up on time, they are going to be judged. This masculine knows that they'll be judged. They are not happy about it. They are feeling that slow and steady this connection is getting shut down and maybe they'll be released. And they will probably never be given a second chance here. If they take too long, they may never get a second chance again because this Empress has now become the Queen of Swords and is wanting forward movement here. One more card, Spirit, for the Ace of... Yes, they know they've been very immature. They know they've been, rash and whatever, and they are feeling that their Empress is now kind of not going to worry about them anymore if they continue this way. Let me just check what this Knight of Wands is. What's this Knight of Wands in reverse, Spirit, which is the underlying energy of the reading? Yes, this Knight of Wands is worried that they're going to be dropped now. One more, Knight of Wands. Yes, they feel somebody is not going to wait around for them anymore, no longer be at crossroads waiting for them to say something. They feel somebody's already made that decision now, and if they lie or they don't give the truth, then they will be dropped. No wonder this card came out. Speak your truth. So that's all I have for you right now, Virgo. We'll go deeper next time. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.